Hello everybody, again it's Denny saying hello here. I hope everybody is doing well. Espero que todos estén bien. Buenas tardes a todos. I am going to try to speak in English and in Spanish as well. Voy a tratar de hablar en inglés y en español en este video. Today I would like to speak to you about the tree of life. Me gustaría hablar acerca del árbol de la vida. So like 3 days ago, I had this incredible experience while I was grounding. Hace como 3 días tuve una experiencia hermosa cuando estaba haciendo polo a tierra. As many of you know, I live in this beautiful place in the middle of nowhere at the northeast of the United States, como muchos de ustedes saben. Vivo al noreste de los Estados Unidos y vivo en un sitio muy apartado y muy bonito. My experience is that while I was grounding and I was touching this huge tree in the backyard that we have here, while saying hello, while getting that connection with the tree, this beautiful being took me to the center of the earth, where obviously I always meet with my beloved Ana Galena. Este hermoso árbol, mientras lo tocaba y hacia polo a tierra, me tomó hacia el centro de la tierra, y obviamente es donde se encuentra mi hermana Ana Galena. Obviamente ella está en todas partes. Obviously Ana Galena is everywhere in our terra beloved planet, but in the seconds the vision, en segundos la visión, it was the tree of life. La visión era el árbol de la vida. En segundos, in seconds, I went there and the tree started expanded. As many of you may know, or maybe you don't, the tree, we are the tree, is the manifestation of the tree. How the tree expands, how the branches come, how the roots come, and how the trunk we are, and the leaves and the fruits. Como ustedes saben, o tal vez ustedes no lo saben, nosotros somos la manifestación de un árbol, de las fracciones, y la parte de arriba son las ramas, las hojas, los frutos, y la parte de abajo de nuestros pies son las raíces, y el cuerpo es el tronco. And the vision showed me, they brought me to that telepathic communication, energetic communication, because basically it's my inner vision that allows me to see all these precious experiences, to have these precious experiences, as well as we are trees. Our beloved terra is a tree. So from the center up, the branches, the leaves, the fruits, as well as the roots down the planet, and become one unit with fractions. That was the vision. Esa era la visión del planeta, desde el centro, el tronco y las hojas, las ramas, obviamente las hojas y los frutos, y en la parte de abajo la raíz, y todo el planeta es un árbol. The whole planet is a tree, a beautiful tree. I hope you capture this vision. I hope you capture the energetic vision that I am sharing with you today. Espero que usted capture la idea que estoy tratando de expresar en Spanglish. Que estoy tratando de compartir con ustedes de esta hermosa visión que tuve hace 3 días con mis amados colectivos, los Arboles. This incredible vision that I had 3 days ago with our beloved 3 collectives, and obviously that shiny energy, that love, that heart chakra, because they have also 7 portal chakras, the trees, as well as Galena. So it's just like la emoción de contarles que los árboles también tienen los portales de los 7 chakras y la forma como están distribuidos. Ya les contaré más acerca de ello. I will share with you more about these chakras later because it's a lot of information. I don't want to start going because sometimes I have the tendency to lose focus. And it's just like trying to bring everything together because my inner vision is just like a movie, and so I see so many things that trying to bring that information through my throat chakra is challenging. A veces me queda difícil porque tengo la visión interna y todo viene como una película, y tratar de traer toda esa información y poderla transmitir a través de mi garganta se pone difícil porque es mucha información. Y quiero que el mensaje llegue claro y que llegue limpio y con buena intención. You all know that I have good intention and my love is just belongs to you all. And so that is the vision. And most of you know that we are speaking about the elements when we speak about the tree of life, that we speak about the earth, the air, the air is right here, but because I am speaking in this way, so north, east, west, and south. So earth is north, east air, south is fire, and west is water. Los 4 elementos que existen en el árbol de la vida es la tierra, el aire, el fuego y el agua, y está contenido en el norte, en el oriente, el occidente y en el sur, que es la tierra en el norte, en el oriente es el aire, el occidente es el agua y en el sur es el fuego. So I am trying every time that I speak both languages, so we only share one video, so we don't have too many videos out there, but hopefully we can share this information in both languages. A little crazy, but just as an experiment. Es un poco difícil a veces porque estoy hablando en los 2 idiomas, pero la idea es compartir un solo video y no tener 2, porque a veces son muchos y pues a veces es mucha información, debo decirlo. So, going back, our beloved tree of life is wisdom, knowledge, love. That is what we are sharing with the tree of life. That is the composition of this incredible information. Es la información importante de la sabiduría de los árboles y toda la información que es contenida en ellos. Just remember that we have incredible trees in this planet, and they have different locations in the whole planet. There are places that sadly they don't have trees, but some of them are in there, and they have a purpose wherever they or anywhere they are. Forgive me, and they are full with information. They are full with information. So that is important to connect with them. That is important to have that relationship. Por eso es importante conectarnos con los árboles, porque ellos están llenos de mucha información y debemos conectarnos con ellos para que la información llegue directamente de ellos hacia nosotros. Remember, people have different perspectives about anything that they may believe. The information that they have been gathering from different research or generational, and they are passing from different founts, different fuentes. La gente está recibiendo esta información y ellos tienen una perspectiva diferente acerca de la información que va llegando. Esta es mi perspectiva, esta es mi experiencia. This is my perspective, this is my point of view, this is my own words, and I'm not searching in other places to speak about this and to share it with you. Sometimes I have some guides from what I did my classes in energy medicine. Algunas veces tengo algunas guías por las clases de medicina energética que tomé, pero toda esta información viene desde mi propia experiencia, de mi propia perspectiva. I am not, it's just like I said before, our own experiences bring us to speak about what we are perceiving, what we are seeing, what we are experiencing. But this is important to keep in mind that the information is in our planet, the information is in our trees, the information is inside, in our portals, and in our inner earth beings. They have a lot of information to share, and that is important. Los seres del interior de la tierra tienen mucha información, es por eso es que es importante hacer esa conexión. And what keeps us connected with the inner earth people is just the trees. Can you imagine that? Our beloved trees they are the connection. Listen, they are the connection between the inner earth beings, surface, and up there. And what that is telling you is the tree of life. We are here in the center, the trunk. Down there are the roots, and up there are the branches and the fruits and the leaves, and it's up there where the information or other type of information is. So la información es que tenemos información en el centro, en el interior de la tierra, aquí afuera, que puede ser el tronco del árbol, y las ramas, y las hojas, y los frutos allá arriba. So, como as you can see, all is connected. Everything is connected, guys. Everything is connected through our trees, through ourselves. This tree that we have containing inside of us. The tree that is containing in our beloved Anegalena, the trees and the information they provide, and so on, because those are fractals. If you check, if you observe a tree, like this one that I'm here, I have behind me, okay, I'm moving this way, you can see the branches, and those are fractions, those are fractals, nature fractals. We are fractals of our Creator. Los árboles son fracciones del Creador. Estos son naturalezas, fracciones de la naturaleza. Y los encontramos por todas partes en la naturaleza. And we are fractals as well. Nosotros somos fracciones también. So, that is the experience that I want to share with you about the tree of life. Many people out there may have different ways of explaining it, but to me, that is the way, based on experiences that I'm putting together and the experience that my higher self, it is allowed me to share. You can have all these experiences as well, because when we are connected and we are in touch with our highest consciousness, we can have these experiences. Nosotros todos podemos tener esas experiencias con nuestra conciencia alta y podemos llegar a tener estas visiones, estas percepciones. Esta es mi experiencia y es lo que puedo explicar acerca del árbol de la vida. Desde mi punto de vista, allá afuera puede haber mucha gente explicándolo desde otros puntos. Many people may study this for years and years. Others don't. Others may have different ways of explaining or words. Otras personas pueden tener otras formas de explicarlo y decirlo, and they may have different research about it, but my way is simple, is natural, is humble, is based on my spiritual experiences with my beloved, with connections, my beloved trees, my beloved sister Ana Galena, the inner earth beings, many of them, is many. I just don't explain who is who because there are many. And same thing out there, up there. And that is a self-discovery. That is something that I'm going to allow you to discover. Ustedes son los que van a descubrir. Yo no voy a mencionar que es este, que es aquel, que este se ve de esa forma, que el otro se ve de esta otra forma, igual arriba, porque es algo que usted va a descubrir, algo que usted sabe, algo que usted va a extender en el momento que usted esté listo. When you're ready, and you're going to start experiencing that. That's the beauty about this. That's the beauty about these experiences. Remember, I am speaking from the energy medicine point of view. Estoy hablando desde el punto de vista de medicina energética. And today I am explaining about the tree of life and my own words and my own experience. Hoy estoy hablando desde mi punto de vista acerca del árbol de la vida, basado en mis experiencias personales con estos seres maravillosos que están en contacto con todos nosotros y nos preparamos para poder experimentarlo. So these beautiful beings are ready to be with us and connect with us when we are ready, obviously. It's a short video, but I didn't want to let it go without sharing with you this experience, because the truth is I'm full in love. I'm full in love. I'm full in gratitude. I'm full in empathy for all this life that we all are living and dealing with and experiencing. I don't know. Estoy llena de amor, de empatía, de gratitud por la vida que estamos llevando, por las experiencias que estamos viviendo. Independently to external factors, all that we have to do is being brave enough to share this information. Independientemente de otros factores allá afuera, debemos ser valientes y fuertes y compartir nuestras experiencias. Today days with these electronics, we have the power to share. Hoy en día podemos compartir esta información poderosa con toda esta tecnología y estos aparatos electrónicos que hay. So that's it. That is the information. There's many more, but I just don't want to bombarding you with too much information. As is, and take that portion that is for you today, because you are going to sense it. That is for you, and you are going to get it in the moment that you're ready. Usted va a recibir la información que es para usted hoy. Y usted lo va a sentir y la va a recibir, porque usted va a estar listo. As I said before, my videos are homemade, and I am working on this with love, with confidence, very humble, a very humble being you are seeing here, with multidimensional experiences in different lives. Soy un ser multidimensional, contándoles historias y experiencias que he vivido a través de los tiempos y de la vida. Agua. Tomemos agua. Drink water. Grounded. Meditate. Stay up there. Connected. Connected with yourself. Out there, we have tools. Allá afuera hay herramientas, pero conéctese con su ser, conéctese, porque ahí es donde están las respuestas. The answers you are looking for are inside of you. I say this like you're going to say, Dennis, really? Every time? You have to say that? Yes, because right there is the key, my darlings, beloveds. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Please share the video, give like, subscribe, so the channel can grow and you can get this information spread up there. Simple information, no complication. Simple información. Dele usar al video, compártalo, suscríbase. Hagamos que el canal crezca y que otros puedan recibir esta información que humildemente, con todo mi amor, la comparto. Es with my heart, humble heart. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your love. Gracias por el tiempo. Gracias por confiar. I'm here and I am going to continue here. Who knows for how long? Aquí estoy y aquí seguiré. I love you all. See you around. Los veo. Amo a todos y nos estamos viendo. Hasta pronto. Bye now.